Hey guys, Tiago with Classical Technology here. Thank you for joining me for another video. Today is when I announce the winner of the Ryzen 3600 giveaway. As soon as we reached 1,000 subscribers, I told you guys I was going to announce the winner. There were hundreds and hundreds of comments. I've narrowed it down to the top 10 comments, and by the end of the video, I'm going to tell you the #1 comment, who won, and why. Until we get to that, let's take a look at this little montage video to celebrate 1,000 subscribers of different builds that I've done on this channel. And don't worry, if you don't win this time, on Tuesday I have another awesome video coming up with 3 different giveaways. So stay tuned for that video and you're gonna have even more chances. So let's take a look at the montage, and at the end of the video, I'm gonna announce the winner. You guys had many awesome comments. We got hundreds and hundreds of comments. I'm gonna choose the top 10 best comments. I'm gonna show them to you guys, and at the end of the video, we're gonna narrow it down to the first place winner. Here is the first comment in no particular order out of the top 10. Stupid1 says, "Truth is, I want to build my son a gaming computer. He is only 6. However, he's so advanced in gaming on Xbox that I think he is quite capable of starting to stream now. And I think everyone would love him because he's amazingly creative and hilarious. I've seen top streamers who are way less entertaining and fun than this little guy. And it's his dream to have a gaming PC, so I'm going to do whatever I can to make it come true. Thanks for the chance." Oh, that's very nice. I like it that he has a son involved. All right, let's go to the next one. Stephen Hoare says, I am trying to build a computer to take back Azeroth with my mom. The guild fell apart a couple of years ago when there was some character conflict between the raid team, and now I'm back and ready to tank through dungeons and raids while putting Blue Moon back on the map. Only downfall is a mouse infestation in our small town caused them to run rampant, and one turned my pewter into a house. So, in short, the Walmart one I got for now isn't going to be ready for the next expansion pack. The piggy bank is filling slower than I'd like, and I came across your video. This would definitely assist me, my mom, and the horde. Oh, that's pretty funny. I like it how he has that story in there. So that's a pretty cool comment. All right, let's go to the next one. Sean Mockern says, to be honest, man, I just moved across the country with my girlfriend who's in college with nothing but what we could fit in our truck. My PC started shitting out on me within a month of being here. I'm working on building a new PC, and one of the parts on it is this CPU. I was planning on waiting till Black Friday or when I had enough money to do the full build. I stream over on Twitch, and I would like to get back to photography and video production, so this would be a huge help to me. That's a pretty cool story, nice and adventurous. All right, next comment. Dale says, this is awesome of you and a great idea to get some traffic on your channel. I am a huge fan of AMD and Ryzen and currently have a 1600, which is wonderfully paired with my GTX 1060 budget build, but who can resist 7nm technology? I'd love to see this as part of a budget secondhand build since it pretty much does fall in that category. Talk about bang for your buck. Good luck, everyone, and to the growth of this amazing channel. Oh, thank you for the compliments. That's a pretty nice comment as well. So let's get on to the next one. Arrow359 says, hey man, my name is Carson. I'm a Twitch streamer and I'm trying my best to make content people enjoy. Currently, my processor can't handle the specs I need to make content. I was looking at getting one and this happened to pop up right after I read specs. So realistically, content creation and gaming. I am a stream captain for the gaming organization Rogue. I'm hoping to work up to a contract from them too. Oh, that's awesome. It's really cool that you're trying to make it also as a streamer. Always respect that. All right, so the next comment. Joshua Millard says, would love to win, but have no greater need than anyone else. I'd use it to upgrade my budget 6th gen Intel system to use as a family computer, to fart around with my kids on, run our family administration, and be the occasional game hobbyist. Clearly plans of grandeur, but in all honesty, congrats on the channel and good luck to everyone. Oh, that's nice. Yep, and thank you for being so humble too. Next comment. Bullseye209 says, I am a young adult that dreams to be a content creator. I saved for months to build my computer. It's my pride and joy, but I am limited with equipment I have installed. I'd love to game with the very small limitations that this CPU would offer. Either way, I appreciate you doing a giveaway like this. I've helped many friends build their computers because I want everyone to feel the way I felt when I finally got mine put together. Cheers. Oh, that's very nice. And another content creator. Yep, keep going at it, man. All right, next comment. Thomas Gilmore says, I don't feel like I deserve this any more than anyone else, but I would definitely put it to good use for gaming and video editing. My daughter has started to show interest in PC gaming, and I love to sit down with her. Problem is my processor is about 8 years old and can't handle a lot anymore. Thought of doing a video when rebuilding mine because I have a lot of friends asking about building. I'd like to mention your name and channel if I were to win this 3600. Oh, thanks for the nice feedback. That's a very nice comment. Great that your daughter is getting into it as well. All right, let's keep going to the next comment. Mika Hosted says, hello, Classical Technology. Just want to say a huge thank you for your videos. Now let's talk about this Ryzen 3rd Gen CPU. If I were to win this, I've got big plans. I'm in the middle of a price to performance workstation gaming PC build. I'm also trying to break into the world of voice acting. Winning this would help me to complete a lifelong aspiration to set up my home studio for voice acting and gaming. I'd use it to stream as well as do my voice over editing. I'm super pumped either way with what you're doing with your channel. Good luck. Oh, that's very nice of you, and good luck with your voice acting as well. All right, so next comment. David Trussell says, I believe I should win this because I need a win right now. My father passed in his sleep this past Tuesday, so a win would be great. Sob story over. I could certainly use this for my kids and their gaming habits. I know they love our computer and they certainly would love a bit more kick so they can play games. Toggle over to a FAQ cheat sheet and swap over to YouTube for tunes. That's what I've got. I'm sorry to hear about your father. You know, my father died also last December, actually, so it's going to be a year. So I feel your pain, man. It's rough, but what are you going to do? You got to keep going, right? But at least you have your kids to, to push ahead. So that's good. All right, so let's continue here and see who the winner is. So now the winner that I chose is David Trussell. If you can see in this post, it really kind of moved me because he said his father died, a week before this. My father also died last December, so it's going to be right about a year. So when I saw that comment, it really moved me and it really hit home. Especially, he has kids he can share this with. So I think it's going to go to a good place. And I hope you enjoy it and I hope you can make good use of it. So send me a direct message on Instagram. It's @ClassicalTech with your mailing address, and I'll send that Ryzen 3600 out as soon as I get that. I really hope you enjoy it. I hope it makes things a little better for you with your father passing away. At least look forward to using it with your kids. And I also want to thank everybody who commented and subscribed. You guys were great. And next Tuesday, I have a new giveaway coming. I'm going to give away 3 different really awesome PC-related things. So check it out next Tuesday at 11 a.m. It's going to be a new video on a water-cooled PC with 3 giveaways in it. So if you didn't win today, you'll have another chance on Tuesday. Once again, videos going up Tuesday at 11 a.m. And Monday, I'm doing tech news. So keep an eye out for that. And I want to thank everybody again who left a comment as well as subscribed. So thank you guys, and I'll check you all out on the next video.